All right, so we're up in Corey's garage over there.
Delicious.
With Turbo S, and his car's jacked up. Because he didn't listen to me. I told him initially, first thing you really want to do when you buy a 1.8 is do the timing belt tensioner and the whole timing belt, because the stock hydraulic one just always fails. It failed in my car. I lost a whole built engine because of that. And it's just felt on freaking Corey's car. As you can tell, the belt's kind of moving there. You want to hold this light real quick?
Yeah.
Thank you. It's all wobbly. I can just take it off. We tried cranking it, and you can just, like, it just spins. So we definitely have some kind of damage in there. The crank, not the crank, but the cam gear doesn't really want to move. The crank spins nice and freely, though. So we got to rebuild his whole engine after I just got done rebuilding mine. So that's what we're going to be doing here for the next couple of months, because this wasn't really planned. We're hoping to do it later on at my house, and we had all the parts for it. But we don't. So we just got to wait and slowly get parts here and there where we can. Because right now he's got a lot of parts from my old builds and some of the stuff he has, but you basically don't have anything that matches, man. You got...
I have FFE manifold and
well, you
downpipe,
get, yeah.
but it doesn't. But I don't have. I'm still on the KO3S, so
you got a manifold, but you have no turbo. You got valve springs, but no valves.
No valves, yeah.
You got a clutch, no flywheel.
No flywheel, yep.
You got Kool-Aid, you ain't got no sugar. Something like that. So we got to get a bunch of parts, and we're going to pop the head off and put a set of pistons and rods in, which we have those. And then, like I said, we're going to rebuild the head. Not this head. We got an AEB junkyard head over here. We're going to get it cleaned up real good and rebuild that bad boy. And just kind of throw everything back together. We might have to throw it back together with the stupid KO3S on there, but we get lucky, we'll find ourselves a nice... Shoot for a Borg Warner, because they're rebuildable, they're affordable.
58.
But he wants a precision.
58's the way to go.
Basically, yeah, like what I had on my old setup.
You can make 575 on it.
And we also have the Cat Cams 3658 for it, so he's got a pretty well-built setup.
Injectors, fuel rail,
yeah,
fuel pumps.
Fuel pump. I mean, you really have almost everything. You'll need a few more parts, like I said. So...
I don't have a manifold.
Cooler. No, the intake manifold. We got a turbo manifold.
Yeah.
So yeah, only a few more things we really need, and then
I have an intercooler too. I'm gonna run. It's gonna be really laggy, but
who cares? It's gonna be
it'll be ready for when I go big turbo.
Yeah. So that's what we're gonna be trying to do. I'm gonna do my best this time, since Corey's gonna be doing most of the building. I'm just gonna kind of supervise him, help him out. And
I'm a child.
It's your first build.
Yeah.
And so I'm gonna try my best to actually film this time. Because every time I start filming my builds, I get sidetracked or I get kind of pissed off at something, and next thing you know, it's 2 days later and I didn't film anything. So I'm gonna do my best to actually film this process for the next couple of months and post it as we do it. So keep an eye open and keep looking at the channel for this one.